How to maximize your Hyrule Compendium in Tears of the Kingdom. If you are eager to complete your Hyrule Compendium in the game, Tears of the Kingdom, you are in for an exciting journey filled with exploration and discovery. The Hyrule Compendium serves as a comprehensive collection of information about various creatures, materials, and locations throughout the game. To fully maximize this resource, there are several strategies you can employ. First, focus on capturing photographs of every creature you encounter. Each animal, monster, and insect has its own unique entry in the compendium. To do this effectively, equip your camera and approach these beings quietly to avoid scaring them away. Utilize stealth-enhancing items or gear to increase your chances of getting close enough for a perfect shot. Next, pay attention to the various types of plants and materials scattered across the landscape. Each plant has specific uses, and documenting them will not only enrich your compendium but also aid in crafting and cooking. Make sure to take photographs of different growth stages and variations of the same plant to ensure comprehensive coverage. In addition to flora and fauna, do not overlook the significance of locations. As you traverse the expansive world, take the time to photograph notable landmarks, shrines, and other points of interest. Each location contributes to your overall understanding of the game's environment and lore. Engaging in quests and challenges can also lead to new entries in your compendium. Many quests involve interactions with unique characters or creatures, and completing these tasks often rewards you with valuable information that can be documented. Keep an eye out for side quests that may introduce you to new elements worth capturing. Lastly, consider revisiting areas you have already explored. The game world is dynamic, and certain creatures or materials may appear only during specific times or weather conditions. By returning to these locations at different times, you increase your chances of discovering new entries for your compendium. By employing these strategies, you will not only maximize your Hyrule Compendium but also enhance your overall gaming experience, uncovering the rich tapestry of life and lore within Tears of the Kingdom. Happy exploring!